No! Oh, mate! Brake. Go. Black flag? Black flag? Did I get a black flag? No. Okay, that was my bad that the guys behind me crashed. Oh, I'm so done. I'm so done with this fucking... Yes guys, welcome back to a brand new video. And we're finally back with a new iRacing video. We are back.
We are fucking back! We're back!
And I'm sorry, it has been too long, like a couple of months maybe. But I have a valid reason for that, because as you can see, I invested in a new microphone, I invested in a new game PC, a new webcam, new lights. So I upgraded my sim rig because I just wanted to create more high quality videos. Because yeah, you've seen in the past, I've struggled a bit with the mic quality and I just want to improve it. I wasn't happy with how it went. So happy to be finally back with you guys. Sorry for the wait. From now on, we're going to upload every week. And this time, I promise you guys, this time I will keep my promise. And today we are at, let's review it, the Virginia International Raceway in the Mazda MX-5 Cup. We're currently at 1.7k iRating and we're at 3.5 safety rating. And I heard if we push to the 4 safety rating, you can go to the C class. So I'll hop into the qualifying. Let's just see how we can do. And I'll see you guys there.
This video is powered by Agave Group.
Alright guys, we're into the qualifying and it's gonna be interesting because I've not quite practiced that much for this track, but I know it really well because I already had a lot of races here, so it should be fine. And I did only like 5 practice laps and they all felt pretty good, I would say. And yeah, for now let's see if we can put together a good lap. Alright guys, let's start our first quali lap.
Green.
Green.
Okay, here comes your first time lap.
Okay, that was quite good. Happy with that. It's always tricky here. Okay, so far so good guys. Halfway through the lap. This is a tricky one as well. Oh, broke a little bit too early. That's a shame. Still, it's quite okay for now. I saw purple, but I'm not sure if that's for just my time or the complete lobby. This might be the trickiest one. It is, but for now it's good. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Ooh, okay, let's see what lap we can put together. I see already quite some fast times from the other guys. I can't look, I need to focus. P2 for now, guys. Ah, no, that's a shame. I wanted to push too much there. But this corner went really bad in the first lap. So there's a possibility to improve here. Oh yeah, brake later. Better rotation. It should be faster. Yeah, we're 1/10 up. Nah, not really, but okay. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Come on. 1.5 tenths. Oh, I think it's not gonna be enough. That's a shame. What we're going to get? Ah, no, still P5. That's a shame. So I don't know if I can go any faster than this, to be honest. The top guys are a couple of tenths faster than me, so that's not nice. And I'm a lot faster than the guys behind, so that's going to be interesting. We're exactly in the middle now, so let's see how the race will go. We're into the race now, and at the last moment, someone improved and he took P1. It was that Alexander guy. So it's going to be interesting because there are 12 drivers and we're exactly in the middle with P6, so that's going to be interesting. The thing with the Mazda MX-5 Cup is that you literally have to survive the first round, especially in this relatively lower iRating class, because it can be really chaotic.
Green.
Okay, off to a good start.
Car right, you're in the middle, 3 wide. Car right, 2 wide.
Oh,
Go
someone
right.
spun out. That was scary. I had a heart attack there. Watch out for these guys, they're battling hard.
Clear. You cut that corner.
No!
Got a slow down
Oh my
penalty.
god, are you kidding me? No way. Does that count as a cut? You're kidding me.
Clear on the left. There's an incident behind.
Oh my god, I created a chaos behind. And now I have to yield a lot. Okay guys, this was a really chaotic start. But we're still somehow really close to the guys up front. Even though I had to yield a lot. Stay locked in. Okay, a good exit. We're currently at P5. Okay, P6. What? Oh no, slipstream.
Keep to the right. Clear.
Oh, I wasn't paying attention. I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid. Okay, guys, let's lock in because there's still a lot to play for. But I was just dumb. I checked at my braking point and I was like, oh, I'm 50 meters past it. Not ideal. This race is not going well so far. The thing is that the red car there, he lost his front bumper. So yeah, he has to have a lot of damage. So he can't be that fast. And if he battles with the white car, then we have a chance to get close again. So let's lock in. And of course, there's still a possibility that someone makes a mistake and crashes.
The car behind has gone off.
Alright, that's what I mean. But now I hope the guys in front go off instead of the guys behind me. That would be nice. Oh wait, the gaps in final lap are compared to the leader. Oh whoa, someone's coming from the pits. I don't like that.
Car stopped on the right.
Oh shit, okay, someone crashed. Alright.
You got a slow car on the right.
Two.
Go right. The leader's gone off.
Oh
The
my
next
god.
car's the leader.
There's always plenty of action in the Mazda MX-5 Cup. That's lovely. Yeah, P5 guys. Okay, that's good.
Five. New fast flat for you. Car
Oh,
two,
he's braking.
up the front.
Really early.
Back in fifth.
I really need to overtake him fast because the pink guy behind me is coming in really quickly. Okay, this is good. Now we have an opportunity because we're close. And with the slipstream we should be able... Come on.
The car in P2. Just at the fastest lap. 36.44.
Okay, I think he's going to brake really late or he's just not going to
Keep
do
to the
that.
left. Still there. Clear.
Okay, that was fair racing. I think I should have turned in a little bit more earlier. I had a lot of time. Oh, someone's off. Someone's off. Or is it not? Maybe it's a back marker. I'm not sure. Ooh, now we might try it at the inside. Yeah, I actually have to do it. Okay, let me go. Fair racing, but we are not past him yet. Because now he has the advantage of the slipstream, which is huge. But it was nice fair racing. Wait, what's he doing? No, yeah. No chance you're gonna overtake there, mate. Yeah, nice try, buddy. Not going to fall for that. I'm going to defend like a lion for this P4. Oh! Oh, mate. Almost lost the car there in the last lap. Imagine. Oh, rookie mistake. We're a little bit too far for the red car. The red car, nice. Oh wow, the first guy overtook the other guy in the last lap.
On the right. Car stopped on the right.
Oh, nice guys. That was a really good race. It was really chaotic. Yeah, we might have had a chance for a podium. Because, of course, I made that mistake. I'm still not sure what happened with the track limits. You know what? It was fun. Let's do one more race. So I'll see you guys in the qualifying for the next race. I'm still red here. It was so intense. It's 5 minutes later from race 1. It's not always about being the fastest or having the best qualifying lap. It's just about staying consistent and not making that much big mistakes. Because you can see a lot of spinners, a lot of crashes, and in just a short minute race of 20 minutes, you're just cooked. You can't do anything anymore. So it should be harder now to qualify high up front, since we went up in iRating. But I'll warm up the tires. And let's see what we can do in this second qualifying. I braked too much there, that was not good. That's bad. Oh, no, shit. Okay, there goes our lap. Let's still try to use it as a banker lap. But it's not looking good now. Oh shit. First times are coming in. Oh no, guys. Okay, this lap wasn't good. I'm going to lock in for the second lap because otherwise we're cooked.
One more lap.
Okay, no, we're done. Okay, guys. We have a problem. You can see a couple of seconds ago I was on provisional pole and I'm currently P7. No, that's a shame. And the thing is, if you look at the fastest lap times, it's actually so close. Yeah, let's try to survive the first lap. It's always scary and chaotic, but...
Green.
Ooh, we had a good start. I think we had a better start than the guy on the left of us. Yeah, we can definitely easily outbrake him. We should be able to.
Left side. Still there, hold your line. Still there.
Ooh, we survived.
Car right. Still there, hold your line. Still there, hold your line. Clear on the right. Car right. Clear on the right.
Oh,
Go
whoa.
left.
What was he doing? He suddenly decided to quit. I don't know what happened there. No, 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 no. Okay, that was my bad that the guys behind me crashed. I feel a bit guilty because I literally ruined that corner. Sorry, guys. Okay, for now, let's stay focused, which is quite an issue with me sometimes, as you can see. P5, guys. P5. 1, 2 positions. Oh, he has a bad exit. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, wow. He is so lucky he didn't crash there.
Car on your left.
That is P4. Okay, well, that was a pretty good first lap, I would say. Unless the mistake I made in that corner and basically made 2 people crash, it was not so lovely. Oh, where are you going, sir? Oh, no. Oh, okay, yeah, that was my bad. That was my bad. This is fair.
Left
Ow.
side. Clear on the left.
Oh, no, I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. I'm such an idiot. I'm such an idiot. This is going to cost me a lot. 2.3 seconds. How? Okay, let's find a good spot and just let everyone go.
Left side.
No! Oh, mate!
Left side. Clear
Brake,
on the
brake,
left.
brake, 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 brake! Go, 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 go! Black flag? Black flag? Did I get a black flag? You're kidding. How did I get a black flag? For what? Oh, what's happening, mate? Bye, sir. Which it doesn't matter because we have the black flag. Because now we just have to try to do damage limitations and not lose too much iRating here. So let's try just to finish the race and go into the pit lane without overspeeding. Because if you go too fast to the pit lane, you get a penalty once again. So here should be the marker. Oh yeah, I just want
The
to be
car
sure.
in P5. Just set the fastest lap.
Okay, guys.
0.961.
This doesn't look good. This doesn't look good. No way. Oh. Oh no. I didn't want that. We got a pit service. Oh my god. Everything goes wrong into this race, but let me go, mate, please.
Okay, go.
Yeah, go. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Oh, I'm so done. I'm so done with this fucking... Please, someone crash. Help me to get some iRating. I need it. No. Oh, almost. Yeah, okay. Oh no, and this is bad for our safety rating. What am I doing? Oh, I'm so happy this race is over.
You got it. Slow car on the right. Now stop on the right.
Guys. Oh.
There's the flag. It's over.
How could it go from such a
Great
good
job.
first
You did
race
really
to
well.
this? Okay guys, we're here back into the race results, and I thought, and I finally understand why the black flag was there, because I think I didn't serve the penalty of the slowing down for 1 second, but somehow it got it went up to 2 seconds after like a couple seconds. So I think I need to check back the footage. If you wait too long with serving the penalty, that you get another second, which is crucial. So in like the previous iRacing, because recently there was a big update, you could just literally wait until the last second and then brake, but now apparently I think you can do that anymore. If you know if that's true, let me know in the comments. But let's look into the results, because this was race number 1. It was actually quite good. We started from P6 if I remember correctly, and we ended up in P4. If you look at the best lap, I think it was going quite well. But yeah, I think it was a good race overall. We improved our safety rating as well. I really want to push it to 4, because then you go promote to C class, and yeah, that will be really nice. Then you have more races you can do. I improved our iRating and got a new PR of 1800, which I'm actually really happy with. But yeah, you guys already know what happened in the second race. A lovely P10, lovely guys. Yeah, it's just my own mistake, because I lost iRating here, or safety rating, iRating as well by the way, but I lost the safety rating. Fortunately, I gained more safety rating in the previous race than I lost in this one. I think I'm going to do some race again tomorrow, because I really love this track. It's really fun to battle here. But for now guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you made it to the end, content. I really appreciate it. I'm going to upload every week again. We're back with the YouTube videos. If you have any feedback for how I can improve the quality of my videos, please let me know in the comments, because I just want to improve and deliver better quality videos. So for now guys, thank you, and I'll see you into the next video next week. Ciao.